Welcome to this lesson on impulse. Impulse is a fundamental concept in physics that connects force, time, and momentum. It describes how applying a force over a period of time changes an object's momentum. So what exactly is impulse? Impulse is defined as the change in momentum of an object when a force acts on it over a period of time. In other words, when you apply a force to something for a certain duration, you're creating an impulse that alters its momentum. The basic formula for impulse is J equals delta P here. J represents impulse, and delta P represents the change in momentum. This equation tells us that impulse is simply equal to how much the momentum changes. We can expand this formula further. Since momentum equals mass times velocity, impulse can be written as J equals m times delta V, or more specifically, J equals m times the quantity V final minus V initial. This shows impulse in terms of mass and the change in velocity. There's another way to express impulse. We can write it as J equals F times delta T, where F is the force applied and delta T is the time interval over which the force acts. This form emphasizes that impulse comes from applying a force over time. Here's the key relationship. F times delta T equals m times delta V. This equation connects both forms of impulse. It shows that force multiplied by time produces the same effect as mass multiplied by the change in velocity. They're two sides of the same coin. Let's look at some real-world examples. When a bat hits a ball, it applies a force over a brief time, changing the ball's momentum dramatically. Airbags in cars work by extending the collision time, which reduces the force experienced by passengers during a crash, even though the impulse remains the same. Here's an important principle to remember. The same impulse can result from a large force over a short time or a small force over a long time. This is why safety devices like airbags and crumple zones are designed to increase collision time, thereby reducing the force, even though the total impulse stays constant.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.